Yeah, so in this part, we will be covering question 2 of Endsem paper, that is, write an algorithm that use Bayes theorem for decision making. Now let's discuss Bayes theorem, in which is used in naive Bayes classifier. So we have Bayes theorem, which is P of H by E is equal to P of E when H into P of H upon P of E. Here, our goal is to choose the most probable hypothesis, or we find the probability of different outputs of target vector, and whichever is the highest probability, we take decision based on that, right? So let's see the algorithm. First, we input set of classes prior probability for each class. We likelihood model to compute for evidence, that is naive Bayes model, and then we use new evidence vector or target vector. Then for each class, we compute the likelihood. Now let me show this denominator is called likelihood. We try to calculate for all the feature or target feature vector values, right? Then we compute the posterior probability using Bayes theorem, which we use the formula. And then based on that probability, we take decision. If the probability is higher than all the others, then we will take that decision. This is often used in naive-Bayes classifier. Why it is called naive-Bayes? Because it assumes that there is no dependency between features. Features are independent, right? So this is the formula. Here B of I represent, here we take target vector, and in A we take input features, right? Now let's see question 2, B part. Write any suitable algorithm for association rule mining that can print all association rules. So association rule mining or a priori or market basket analysis. Here we try to figure out rules. So what is the algorithm? We have a database where each transaction equal to set of items. We have given a minimum support and we are given minimum confidence level. Now we will find frequent item dataset, which is we list all the items and we create a hash map and we list all the items and its frequency. Then we prune the when we remove the candidates with minimum support. We only select the candidates which have a minimum support, and then we will keep only that. This is called frequent item set, right? Then we will repeat this process until support is greater than equal to minimum support. Then we will stop when it becomes empty. Now after this we will find all frequent item sets. Based on that frequent item sets, we will generate association rules. And for every frequent item set with one, each non-empty proper set, we compute the confidence of rule, right? And once we have created the frequent item set, we compute with the help of confidence level, we compute the rules. For example, let's say a rule, if a keyboard and mouse is bought, then a laptop is also bought, like that. So this is all done using a priori algorithm or market basket analysis or frequent pattern tree, right? This was it for question 2. Let's find question 3 next video. Thank you.